Ever wondered if avocados could be the secret weapon for a balanced diet? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of this creamy, delicious fruit, yes, fruit that's packed with nutritional value. Avocados, though known for their high fat content, are actually brimming with the good kind of fats, monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, when you slice open a ripe avocado, remember, you are not just getting a tasty treat, you are also giving your heart a little extra love. But the goodness of avocados doesn't stop there. They are also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. From vitamin K that supports bone health, to folate that is crucial for cell repair, to potassium that can help control blood pressure, avocados are like nature's multivitamin. And let's not forget about fiber. One avocado can provide around 20% of your daily fiber needs. Fiber isn't just important for digestion, it's also known to help control weight, as it makes you feel full and satisfied, reducing the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks. What makes avocados even more impressive is their ability to enhance the absorption of certain nutrients. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, along with antioxidants like carotenoids, require fat to be absorbed by the body. And avocados, with their healthy fats, can help your body maximize the benefits of these nutrients. So, what's the takeaway here? Incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can be incredibly beneficial. They provide heart-healthy fats, a myriad of vitamins and minerals, dietary fiber, and even help your body absorb more nutrients. It's like having a nutritionist, personal trainer, and chef all wrapped up in one tasty package.